It's tea time. Cheers. Listen, I had to take advantage of this view. It is so beautiful. So absolutely beautiful. Do you see this? What a perfect time to come outside and sip some tea and talk to you. Listen, I need you to do me a favor first. I need you to share the good news. I cannot do this alone. Ministry is in all of us. So I need you to help me share. I also need you to click my link in my bio and get you a But God shirt or a warrior shirt or a forgiveness shirt, because we all have a testimony. We all have something to share. And I want to know, what is your testimony? If you're willing to share, that is. But I need your help. Like, this is a community. I cannot do it by myself. I appreciate you all for following along, listening to what God has to say. But I need you also to do the work as well. So listen, I wanted to chat with you for a moment. I was talking to my really good girlfriend. She's amazing. She's like my sister in Christ. She's not like, she is my sister in Christ. And she had a revelation one morning, and she woke up and I said, oh, that is going to be some good tea. She said to me, God revealed to her that when people are hurting, it's hard for them to do the normal things. Say, for instance, you sprain your foot or you twist your ankle. The normal activities like walking may hurt a little bit. Like, it may be hard for you to step down. It's like, ouch, I can't even walk, so I need crutches, or I may need a wheelchair, or I need assistance. I can't do the normal activity right now because I'm hurt. Think about that. So I really want you to consider and think about that. Like love, respect, consideration, all those different things. When you want someone to love you that's been hurt by love, when they try to step out and do it, it's like, ouch. Like, the normal thing to do is love. It's like, ouch. When you want respect, but someone disrespected them and they try to step out again and give respect, it's like, ouch. Because what they're operating in is their hurt. They haven't been healed yet. They haven't gotten to the place where they fully given over to God that pain. The pain is still there. So we have to be considerate, just like when we sprain our foot, or we break our arm, or we break any other limb, that it takes time for us to get back doing normal things, because there's a healing process. There's a time where we have to allow ourselves to get back into normal functioning, and that's where grace comes in. I mean, it really didn't dawn on me until she said it, and I said, that's good. That's really good. When you hurt yourself, think about it. When you hurt something on your body, it takes time to get back out there, to use that functioning again, because initially it hurts. But give it time. And I think that's what God does with grace and mercy. I'm not saying make excuses for people and their behavior. What I am saying is give them grace and mercy. How do you do that? You pray for their healing. You pray that God will restore full functioning so that they can love again, so that they can respect again, so that they can walk in all of who God and Jesus is, so that they can get back to the normal way of functioning which God created us to function. To get back to the original design of human nature, which is to be in His image. Man, that was good to me, and I hope it was good to you. Share this message.